Mr. Boston, my baby had a fetal heart rate of well over 165 beats per minute, and now the doctors are telling me that my baby may have a brain injury. How can this happen? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about a fetal heart monitor and the very important role that it plays in a vaginal delivery. See, what I just spoke with you about was an individual who contacted my office, and in her situation, her baby had a heart rate that had exceeded well over 175 beats per minute, and the baby was dealing with an issue that we call tachycardia. And after the delivery, the baby was blue in color, the baby suffered from seizures, and the baby had to be taken to the NICU. In addition to all of that, after the delivery, the baby had very little respiratory effort. And so with all of this going on, the mom just had some serious questions about everything, and she had learned that the baby's heart rate had gotten really high, and was there anything that the doctors could have done to either see that, or was there some type of action that the doctors should have taken? Now, what I want to get into with you today is the importance of the fetal heart strips, or the fetal heart monitor. And what this device is it helps doctors to determine how well your child is tolerating a vaginal delivery. So what it's doing, it is letting the doctors know if the baby is doing well during a vaginal delivery. Now, if the baby's heart rate can get too high, then that can be a problem for the child. In addition to that, if the baby's heart rate is too low, that also can be an issue for the child. If we have the average child's heart rate is usually around 120 to 160 beats per minute. So when we start getting well above that 160, 165, 170, 175, 180, 185 in some instances, now we're talking about an issue what we call tachycardia. Now, when doctors see that a baby may be in distress, what they have to do is they have to look out for the best interest of the child. And if the circumstances dictate, they need to do what we call an emergency C-section. And this is because if they don't act quickly to help rescue the child in a situation like this, when we're talking about a very high heart rate, then the child can suffer injuries. And these injuries are usually brain injuries. And this can be because of a lack of oxygen or other things. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because I'm trying to help you get insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand what a medical malpractice attorney or a childbirth injury attorney is going to be looking at in their analysis when a call comes through about a possible injury at birth. If you have more questions about your situation, this is what I invite you to do. And remember guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. We answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC. We will see you next time. Guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of